Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are trying out beginner art tips because I noticed as I was drawing I really have a bunch of holes in my knowledge. Yeah, and I don't really know why am I putting color over here, why I'm shading over there, how really is the anatomy? So I went on TikTok and I found few videos that I thought are good to start. If you're a beginner like me, you can follow along, just stop the video, do drawing on your own, and yeah, improve some skills basically. I'm also really battling with the daylight. Until I'm ready to shoot, it's already sunset, so it will get dark during the video. Did you take your pencil and paper already? So the first exercise basically is creating shapes and drawing shapes and understanding shapes, I guess.
Exercise 1. Drawing cubes, cylinders, cones, and forms with contour lines from all possible angles from imagination. This is the most important thing you need to be able to do to move on to start learning anatomy.
Need to warm up my hand. It's very cold, by the way. Also, I wanted to say thank you for the first subscribers. I didn't think I will reach 300 so quickly. I started posting I started posting 3 weeks ago and I kind of got lucky with few shorts. Yeah, it's kind of cool. As you can see, I started by doing very basic shapes. I took a reference for these basic shapes even because all I could remember that squares, triangles and circles only exist. So I recommend you, to make your life easier, take references also for the 3D shapes. And yeah, today I actually redid it and you are looking at the new drawing because yesterday I did just so few drawings that it was literally nothing to show you. So the next one is basically draw the same shapes but be able to cut out a piece of it and for it to still make sense.
Exercise 2. Be able to cut out and carve new shapes from imagination. If it's too hard to draw these from imagination, use references.
I don't have any imagination. How should I do this? It makes you think, to be honest. Like, it's not that easy. Here it really comes to play that you visualize how the object looks like from the inside, from this side, from that side. And yeah, if you take out a piece of it, how does the perspective look like afterwards? Something like that, I guess. 1 second. I got the concept. I think you got the concept also. Let's see what other tips they have. So the next one is twisting and bending the shapes and combining the shapes.
Lastly, for exercise 3, we have bending and twisting the shapes and connecting them with other shapes. Once you get comfortable doing these exercises, you will then have a strong foundation to learning anatomy.
So we will take this figure and try to... I'm not sure. Have to really think about it, how it should look like to be bent. I don't know what I'm doing. I need a step-by-step how to bend shapes. What do you mean I have to figure it out? There's definitely more practice to do with the shapes, but I would like to jump into the next one. So with the next one we need movement and try to draw the movement with figurines as fast as we can. So I will just write on Pinterest sports movement. I'm blinded by the flash. Ugh. If you ask me, this figure right now looks drunk, not dancing. I don't know, what is this? Too Fast, Too Furious. With this exercise it really felt like the more I was drawing, the easier it became. I understood what kind of cues I have to look for. For example, in specific pose, one shoulder will be higher, another one lower, and so I have to make a diagonal line, and accordingly the hips will be the opposite maybe, and it becomes easier once you get the reps in. I think these are really useful exercises. I really wasn't the best at them. For example, doing the shapes, I think I need to look up some more inspiration to do them. But I really loved the motion exercise. I really felt like the more I was drawing, the easier it was to analyze how the body moves, how the shape would look like. And yeah, I can see that this is very useful. If you'd like to see more content like this, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!